Testicles for Christmas, testicles for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front balls. Testicles for Christmas, testicles for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front balls. Oh yeah, well, I'm a lover, no, I'm not a hater. Why don't these people know I'm a liberator? My wife's back home, she misses me, so she sent me testicles and put under the tree. And when we got up on Christmas, all the soldiers gathered round. We were really quiet, giggling, making funny sounds. We unwrapped each other's presents, and it's so much fun, but we miss our wives, so we love each other's fun.
Did that happen, Steve? Did that really happen over there?
Don't ask, don't tell.
You hear stories, but you never know.
A little bit, a little bit. Come on,
We won't ask.
probably the Marines, right?
Oh, Marines?
Marines are the Navy, they're all over each
The
other.
Coast Guard must be doing that over there like crazy. Well, ho, 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 I'm Santa in Iraq. You don't get any presents because you all look vaguely black. Look over there, there's my old friend Steve. I bet he could do with a pair of these. And that guy over there in the Coast Guard, too. Could probably use a couple. 2, 3, 4. Testicles for Christmas. Testicles for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front balls. Testicles for Christmas. Testicles for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front balls. Oh, men, 2.5 balls. For Christmas, there's a Christmas ball on my board.
Another year, deep in the shit. Oh, I got some crap and some crunk and some shit. Don't get no bunker, wrapping a bunch of crap. People send me the things that I don't even want to unwrap. It's a really bad year. I miss everyone back home. Maybe I'll just sing my karaoke drone. I call it the robot. It serves me. And here I am in Iraq with Steve. Testicles for Christmas. Testicles for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front balls. Testicles for Christmas. Testicles for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front balls.